I was saying that the child needs to have your money. The child needs your money. Without money, you cannot do anything to buy this repetition, to pay some books. Mm? Or you can pay people, students. You can look school students in your area. They can help your children to achieve your purpose. Please, women, I'm calling you. If you are not a woman, I know that every good woman will sacrifice herself to make her child proud of her. It is a best investment that we can do in this head. Because if you are not doing anything, if you are sending money and they don't have knowledge, all the money that you send, you make, they will scatter it once with prostitution, with men, with I don't know. Please be aware of it. Okay, it is why I want to explain you step by step how education works in Germany. Okay, cool. Okay, your money, because you have to buy also books. I was having a auntie, their children, they have brain. Every time one, they will say, I have ich habe eins, ich habe eins, I have one. I'll explain on my next video how they are making notes. It's not in Africa there's 20/20, 10/20. No, here is different. I will explain on my next video. Just subscribe to know everything about it. Before the school will start in August, they in August she will go and buy mayoshe. You know mayoshe, you are going. Don't say that you don't know mayoshe. You are going up and down. You know only this thing. Dress will not save your children. Dresses, shoes, no. They need white people, German people. They need brain to increase their economics. Okay? Mayosha is a shop where they are selling books, everything for school. She will go, she will look the program, the school program. She will go and buy others books. 3 weeks before the beginning of the school, the children will start already reading. She will make exercise with them. She will read. After that, like this. Before school will start, they will be ready. It's one tips, a solution for us. It's a secret. After that, the brain will be they will see it in class. Oh, I already make it with my mother. I did it already. Then they will have good notes. It's not difficult to have good notes. No. Please buy books. Go to library. Library is good too. Library is good. Please go to library. Okay. What did I say again? After going to library, lifestyle. After your time, your money, now your lifestyle. Many, I don't want to say it here, but many I don't have time. They are of this thing of children, because they are doing prostitution. They are going with children doing prostitution to search money. Stop it. You are an example for your child. Stop it. You can have all the money on this head, but if you don't have a good child, you will be not happy. Okay? Stop it. You are a mother. If you did not go to school, then make everything to feel, for your child to feel that you are with him. Then, after primary school, we have secondary school. Is secondary school the most high school in Germany? Your child have to have the recommendation of university. Then, before going to university, your child have to go to secondary school, gymnasium. It's high level, it's mini high level. There is for preparing to have a good career. What did I say? After gymnasium, your child will have certificate. They are calling it here Abitur. It's the most high certificate in Germany. With this certificate, the child can go to university. University, the world of intelligence, of genius, of manager. You will see your child like this. Oh, my child is a manager of. My child is no. Start working it now. It can be possible for you. Okay. To go to the university now, at the end, most teachers are giving recommendation at the end of school, of the gymnasium high level school. They will give a recommendation. If this child is able to go to university, if this child is not ready, they will give. But if you say no, what they are saying like this, my child will go. You will go and look so far like this. They will not accept your child because the bad notes that the child collected had by doing secondary school. They will not allow him. You wait, and you will lost. You cannot even, because you have to send your child to school. You have to make a choice there. Now, a woman called me last time. She said that I have problem with the teachers and this thing. If you have problem with the teacher, you say maybe they are not teaching my child well. It can happen. Then don't be afraid. Don't say, I will take a lawyer. You don't have money. Save this money to go and buy books and buy everything who will help your child to have a brilliant future, a good career. Go, first of all, see the administration. If you are not happy with the administration, you have to go and see the so-called Schulamt in your community there. This is the high level of administration of school. There you will find solution. You can decide if you can change school or not there. Now, if you say, I have some problem, they cannot help me, then we have a number in Germany that if you have any problem with concerning children, you can call them. It's calling Elterntelefon. I'll give you the number now. 080011105550. Then, if you make it, your child will pass the secondary school, will go to gymnasium. Secondary school is gymnasium. He will go to university, the place of big men, big women. Work hard, women. Father, parents, children is our investment, best investment. Not new cars, not new jet privé, no, not houses. Take time. I think about it. I hope you will make a good choice. You will do like I said, my recommendation. I love you guys. If you love my videos, subscribe it. Please share it to parents. Please, people are dying, lack of knowledge. Please Ciao, ciao.